Africa in general. And because of it, in their decision, in their thinking, they really bring Africa into perspective. I say to them, it is time to rethink. Africa today is the last frontier of global development. It's the second biggest continent in terms of size in the world, the second biggest continent in terms of population. It's a continent that has the highest amount of natural resources. It's a continent that has vast uncultivated land, a continent with young population. 60% of African population today is young. But then it's a continent of mass poverty. Today, Europe, if I take Nigeria for example, Nigeria in terms of population is 50% of European Union population. You are about 450 million. We are over 240 million. So we over have 50% of your population.
You watch the video. You've seen how a president should look like. You see what a president should look like. You've seen how a president should speak. Outspoken, well-mannered, and good-looking. Not be the one that get where they shake waka, where they speak Bulu Bala lingua, abia the speaker. Una Agbado president. The president with solar. I don't care who you vote come 2027. Kwankwaso, Peter Obi, Atiku, Showore, Dati Baba. I don't really care. Vote whosoever you want to vote. But please, we shouldn't vote Tinubu the second time. These people have done more than enough. They have killed us enough. Before this country will come empty come 2027, I beg, let's try and vote somebody else. The Agbado presidency have tried enough for us. They've done they have tried. So they should just go home, sit back and relax. I beg, una don't waste our time reach. Una know what they do, but they pepper me. Me una vote right this time will not be that last time una do. See, I be very wicked man. I don't know my wickedness. Una hear from me.